to graph the derivative of this function, you're gonna look at the slope of tangent line at different points. So let's pick a few points. So at this point, the slope of tangent line is the same as the slope of this particular function, because the tangent line actually coincides with this line. So all you have to do is to find the slope of this particular straight line. So here we see the rise is 3, the run is 1.5. So therefore I know the slope is 2. So this is 2. Starting here, it's gonna be 2 all the way up to here. So this will be true for any point you select on this line. The tangent line will always coincide with this particular straight line, which is slope is 2. Now at this corner, this is the derivative is not defined at corner, so that's why I have an open circle here. Similarly, at the end point, the derivative doesn't make sense, so it's open circle. Similarly, for this graph, for this straight line, this branch, any point that you select on the line, its tangent line coincides with this particular straight line, and seems to me the rise is -3, the run is 3, so therefore the slope is -1. With that, I'm gonna draw the derivative for this particular one. It should be -1, so -1 is here. It's picking from 1 to 4 with the line -1. So in summary, this is the graph of the derivative for this function. So from -1.5 to 1, open circle at both points, and from 1 to 4, the derivative is -1 with open circle at the both ends. So this is it.